The Federal Fair Housing Act of 1968 benefits all of us, even if we're not in one of the protected categories. And any of us could become a member of a protected class virtually overnight. How so? Keep watching and I'll explain. The Fair Housing Act ensures equal housing opportunity for everyone, whether we're talking about buying a home, renting a home, applying for a mortgage, seeking housing assistance, or engaging in any other activity that involves our housing. There are 7 protected classes, and even if you don't currently belong to any of these classes, you could. So let's dig deeper into fair housing and see what it means. For me, as an Idaho Realtor, this is really important information to be sharing, and I hope you'll watch the whole video. The Act prohibits housing discrimination based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, family status, or disability. This means, among other things, that realtors can't steer clients towards or away from a particular neighborhood or area because of the client's membership in one of these classes. It means landlords and apartment managers can't deny housing to someone because of the person's membership in one of these groups. And a mortgage lender can't deny a loan to someone simply because of their race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, or disability. So what's the point of the Fair Housing Act? It's designed to help eliminate discrimination. The Act promotes equal access to housing opportunities, regardless of our background, with the goal of ensuring that everyone is treated fairly and respectfully. Keep in mind that while some of these protected classes are unchangeable, like our race, others can change, like your disability status, which can change very suddenly, tragically, and irreversibly. Literally anyone could find themselves in a protected class overnight. My personal belief is that we should all care about fair housing regardless of our own current housing situation, because access to fair housing benefits all of us. By embracing fair housing, we foster diverse communities. This diversity enriches our neighborhoods, creating vibrant, inclusive environments where we can learn, grow, and appreciate different people and perspectives that may be different from our own. Furthermore, fair housing laws contribute to a stronger economy. When everyone has equal access to housing, it promotes stability, it fosters economic growth. People can live where they work, creating thriving local businesses and boosting property values. Fair housing laws enhance educational opportunities by allowing kids from any of the protected classes to access quality schools, which in turn encourages their economic success. For realtors like myself, it's really important to be fully informed about fair housing and to stay up to date on any changes. Realtors have an obligation to treat all clients fairly and equally. Everyone should have an equal opportunity to live in any location or in any type of housing that they can afford, regardless of their membership in a protected class. Well-informed realtors are happy to show you homes in any area that you want to live in. We should never try to steer clients to a particular neighborhood where that person will supposedly fit in better or be happier. It's not our job to determine those things. A good agent lets his or her clients choose where they want to live, and then sets out to find those clients housing in their chosen location, regardless of any protected class that they might belong to. And you can see I feel very strongly about this. Now listen up. If you think you've been the target of a fair housing violation, please report it and do it promptly. The Department of Housing and Urban Development, that's HUD, is in charge of enforcing the Fair Housing Act. HUD will take complaints by mail, email, phone call. All the info you need is on the Housing and Urban Development website. Just Google how to report a fair housing violation and the link should pop right up. Now HUD takes these complaints very seriously, as it should. If you have questions about housing here in Idaho, feel free to ask your question in the comments. I'm happy to help. And watch this next video for more on housing here in the Gem State.